Do you get along with your classmates?
There's one boy in my class I don't really get along with. We argue
Almost?
about everything. But the next day, we're friends again.
Big feelings, short memory for arguments.
Why don't you have kids yet?
He did! My sister almost dropped her coffee. What won't he eat? Sounds familiar. A lot of kids go through that.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Yes, every single day, a brand new episode just for you.
My name is Lily.
And I'm Tom. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the family.
We help you speak English naturally through real conversations, real stories, and a little bit of chaos sometimes.
A lot of chaos, actually.
Before we start, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it helps more learners find us every single day.
Today's topic is a fun one. We're talking about kids, daily habits, learning, and catching up with family.
Oh, this one is personal for you.
Very personal. Let's get into it.
Okay, before we go further, I want to ask you something.
Uh-oh.
Tom spent the weekend with his nephew, and something happened during homework time, something Tom did not expect at all.
I still can't believe it happened.
So here's my question for you. What do you think a 7-year-old said to Tom that made him completely speechless?
Put your guess in the comments below. Seriously, I want to see your answers.
We're not telling you the answer yet. You have to watch the whole episode.
Let's tell the story from the beginning.
Okay, so tell me everything. How was your weekend with your nephew?
Honestly, exhausting, but in a good way.
How old is he now?
7. His name is Ethan, and he has so much energy. I don't know where it comes from.
Kids that age never stop moving.
Never. So Saturday morning, I go to my sister's place to catch up with the family, and she says, "Can you help Ethan with his homework for an hour?"
Oh, no.
I said, "Sure, easy, right? I'm an adult. I know things."
Famous last words.
So we sit down at the kitchen table. His homework is simple math, some sentences to write, normal daily routine stuff.
Sounds manageable.
For the first 10 minutes, sure. Then he starts asking me questions, not about the homework, about everything else.
Like what?
He asked me why I don't have kids yet, in front of my sister.
No, he didn't.
He did. My sister almost dropped her coffee.
Oh my God, kids really do say whatever is in their heads.
It's just the beginning, actually. Wait until I tell you what happened next.
Okay, keep going. What happened after that?
So I try to bring him back to the homework. I say, "Okay, Ethan, let's finish this, then we can play."
Smart move, motivation.
I thought so too, but he looks at me, very serious, and says, "My teacher says I need a break every 20 minutes or my brain gets tired."
He's not wrong, actually.
I know. I couldn't even argue with that. So we take a break, we talk about his day, his classmates, his favorite games.
That's actually a really nice way to catch up with a kid. Just ask about their day.
It is. He told me about his best friend, about the class hamster, about 100 other things.
Kids have so much to say if you just listen.
Exactly. Then we go back to the homework, and that's when it happened. The moment question.
Okay, tell me.
Not yet. We're saving that for later in the episode.
You're so mean.
Patience. First, let's actually learn something, because this whole story is full of useful English.
True. Let's start with the grammar. Okay, so today's grammar point is present simple, and specifically talking about routines and habits.
This is super common when we talk about kids or really anyone's daily life.
We use present simple for things that happen regularly, not just now, but again and again.
For example, Ethan does his homework every afternoon.
Good example. Notice the verb does. With he, she, it, we add an S or ES to the verb.
And we also use frequency adverbs with this tense, right?
Exactly. Words like always, usually, often, sometimes, and never.
Like, Ethan always asks 100 questions.
Very accurate example based on today.
Or, I sometimes lose my patience, but I never show it.
Perfect. Notice where the frequency word goes. It comes before the main verb, but after the verb to be.
Can you give an example with to be?
Sure. Kids are usually full of energy in the morning.
That one is very true.
So remember, subject, frequency adverb, verb, or subject, to be, frequency adverb.
Simple structure, but it changes how natural your English sounds.
Exactly. Small words, big difference.
Okay, now let's get into the main vocabulary from today's story.
Our first word is routine. A routine is a set of things you do regularly, usually in the same order.
Like a morning routine or a bedtime routine.
Exactly. Can you give us an example, Tom?
Sure. Ethan has a very strict bedtime routine. Bath, then a story, then 2 glasses of water. Exactly 2. Not 1, not 3.
Very specific.
If you change the order, he notices immediately.
That's actually very common with kids. Routines make them feel safe.
True, I didn't understand that before, but now I do.
Okay, next word. Chores. Chores are small jobs you do at home, like cleaning your room or washing dishes.
Sure. Ethan has one chore. Feeding the class hamster is not his job, but at home he has to make his bed every morning.
Does he actually do it?
Sometimes. My sister says he usually forgets, and she reminds him twice before he finally does it.
Classic kid behavior.
Very classic.
Next word, catch up. This means to talk with someone and share news, especially after some time apart.
That's exactly what I was doing this weekend. I don't see Ethan every week, so I wanted to catch up with him properly.
What did you catch up about?
School, his friends, a new video game he loves, basically his whole world in 1 hour.
Kids can talk fast when they're excited.
Extremely fast. I could barely keep up.
Okay, next word, picky eater. This describes someone who is very selective about food and doesn't like trying new things.
Oh, this is Ethan completely. He's a huge picky eater.
What won't he eat?
Anything green. If a vegetable is green, it doesn't exist for him.
Sounds familiar. A lot of kids go through that.
My sister says he used to eat everything as a baby, and now suddenly green food is the enemy?
Kids change their minds so fast.
Constantly.
Okay, next word, screen time. This means the time someone spends using a phone, tablet, or TV.
Big topic in every house with kids these days.
How does your sister handle it?
She's pretty strict, actually. Ethan gets 30 minutes of screen time after his homework, and that's it.
That sounds like a healthy balance.
He complains every time, but honestly, he still finds 100 other things to do.
Kids are creative when they're not staring at a screen.
Very true.
Okay, last word for today. Get along. This means to have a good relationship with someone, to be friendly with them.
Ethan gets along really well with his classmates. Well, almost all of them.
Almost?
There's one boy in his class he doesn't really get along with. They argue about everything, but the next day, they're friends again.
That's kids for you. Big feelings, short memory for arguments.
Exactly. I could learn something from that, honestly.
We all could. Okay, let's quickly review everything we learned today.
We talked about present simple for routines and habits, using frequency adverbs like always, usually, sometimes, and never.
And we learned 6 new words: routine, chores, catch up, picky eater, screen time, and get along.
All from one wild afternoon with my nephew.
A very productive afternoon, it sounds like.
In more ways than one.
Try using these words today. Talk about your own routine or a kid you know in English.
Even one sentence a day makes a huge difference over time.
Now we want to hear from you.
Are you a picky eater or do you eat everything?
Tell us in the comments, in English if you can.
And don't forget, we still want your guess about what Ethan said to me.
Yes, scroll down and leave your guess below. That's it for today's episode of Daily English Talk.
We hope you learned something new and maybe laughed a little too.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe so you never miss a new video.
We upload a brand new episode every single day, so there's always something new to learn with us.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye everyone, take care.